This is a test of the lift leg, the lift motor, using a couple switches here on a propeller demo board. So there's showing how that linear actuator works. There's no foot on here right now because it'd be a little bit too long for the position I have on the floor, and I don't want to stress the whole setup. So that test works pretty good. Next thing I'm going to do is go and start testing out the other motors and see how those work also. Okay, this is a test of the kick motor. Linear actuator. Here's the changes to the mount. I had to drop it down 1 inch so it would clear underneath with no interference. And as you can see now, it will manually, I'm moving it, does not quite 180 degrees of motion, but I will be adding some cutouts in this area on the top and the bottom that will allow a full 180 degrees. Not that it's necessary, but it'll be just a good spot to have. Also, I'll have to have something for these wires to keep them from getting pinched when it swings from one extreme to the other. And you see it gets pretty tight in there. So those motor controllers, the little fans, are just moving away pretty good, moving quite a bit right there. I did a test also with the worm gear and the motor, which is right here. Unfortunately, there's just not enough torque associated with this motor to work very well, so I'm going to have to revisit this. Alright, this is the operation of the lift motor. The linear actuator is right here and moves about 4 inches. So when we go and activate it, you can see it moves up. Normally, right here is where the foot would be attached. I don't have that attached now just because I don't want it hitting the floor, because I've got everything clamped down. Don't want to overdrive anything. And so here it is, pushing again the other direction. You can see it moves out pretty smoothly. Very solid. And when I try to twist this, it's there's not a lot of give there. Same when you push or pull on this whole motor, it's very tight.